Ever struggled to make perfect cuts and joints without ruining your wood? These insanely precise tools are about to change everything. Watch closely, you don't want to miss this. Ever tried installing cabinet handles and ended up with crooked holes that ruin the whole door? This insane cabinet hardware installation jig lines everything up perfectly, letting you drill flawless holes for knobs, pulls, and handles in seconds with zero guesswork. With its solid metal build, precision guides, and flip design for left or right doors, it's a total game-changing upgrade that makes every cabinet look pro-level instantly. Measuring angles on wood usually means juggling multiple tools and still ending up with lines that are slightly off. This insane 3D multi-angle measuring ruler combines a square, protractor, and marking tool into one compact gadget that lets you measure 45 and 90 degrees and draw perfect layout lines instantly. Once you try this precision aluminum tool, marking corners, pipes, or boards feels completely game-changing, and your cuts come out accurate every single time. Ruining a perfect joint with a metal hammer dent or annoying bounce is the worst feeling in the workshop. This polycarbonate mallet changes everything using the same insanely tough material that protects fighter jet pilots, delivering powerful strikes without damaging your work. Perfectly balanced and precise, once you try this game-changing tool, sloppy taps and ruined edges will never happen again. Crooked cuts and ugly splinters can ruin a perfect panel in seconds. The Festool Plunge-Cut tracks off fixes that instantly with insane precision, riding a guide rail to deliver smooth, splinter-free cuts exactly where you want them. Once you try this game-changing system, every cut feels effortless, faster, cleaner, and so precise you'll never fight a circular saw again. Building jigs and workbenches usually means endless measuring, marking, and still ending up with crooked tracks. The MatchFit grid router guide fixes that instantly with a self-indexing system that creates perfectly spaced dovetail tracks across any panel with insane precision. Once you try this game-changing tool, routing flawless grids feels effortless, setups get faster, and you'll never waste time measuring every line again. Constantly switching between rulers, protractors, and squares just to mark one perfect cut wastes time and kills momentum. This 6-in-1 Carpenter square fixes that instantly by combining measuring, angle finding, marking gauges, drill guide, and even a wrench into one insanely precise tool. Once you try this game-changing square, your workflow feels faster, cleaner, and you'll never carry a bulky toolbox for simple layout work again. Sanding curved edges and moldings usually leaves ugly flat spots and uneven scratches. These Granat profile sanding sheets fix that instantly with a flexible foam core that bends perfectly around curves while the insane abrasive cuts fast and smooth. Trying to hold two boards at a perfect 90-degree angle while drilling or screwing them together is frustrating and almost impossible alone. This corner clamp fixes that instantly by locking both pieces tightly in place with independently adjustable jaws for insanely precise right-angle joints. Once you try this game-changing clamp, assembly feels effortless and crooked corners will never ruin your builds again. Clogged shop vac filters and clouds of dust can turn a quick cleanup into a frustrating mess. This Cyclone dust collector fixes that instantly by spinning out up to 99% of debris before it even reaches your vacuum. Once you try this game-changing system, suction stays insanely strong, filters last longer, and dusty workshop cleanups will never slow you down again. Regular pencils snap, dull fast, and can't reach deep holes when you're marking cuts or drill points. This mechanical Carpenter pencil fixes that instantly with a long, deep hole tip, built-in sharpener, and insanely durable refills that mark clean lines on almost any surface. Once you try this game-changing tool, precise marking feels effortless and broken pencils will never slow your workflow again. Weak joints and complicated joinery can turn a simple woodworking project into a frustrating mess. The Kreg pocket hole jig fixes that instantly by guiding your drill to create insanely strong pocket holes that lock boards together fast and perfectly. Once you try this game-changing tool, building furniture feels faster, cleaner, and loose joints will never ruin your projects again. Pencil lines smear, fade, and throw off your cuts when you're trying to mark perfect joinery. This wheel marking gauge fixes that instantly by slicing insanely clean layout lines with a hardened wheel that stays perfectly parallel to your workpiece. Once you try this game-changing tool, your marks become razor-sharp, cuts feel more precise, and sloppy layout lines will never ruin your woodworking again. Cutting through nails, screws, or hardened metal with regular multi-tool blades destroys them in seconds. These Carbide oscillating saw blades fix that instantly with insanely tough teeth built to slice through hard metal, bolts, and stubborn materials without quitting. Once you try this game-changing blade, brutal cutting jobs feel effortless and burned-out blades will never slow your workflow again. Guessing measurements or squinting at tiny ruler marks can ruin precision work fast. This digital caliper fixes that instantly with a large LCD screen that shows insanely clear measurements for inside, outside, depth, and step checks in seconds. Once you try this game-changing tool, switching between inch and millimeter feels effortless and inaccurate measuring will never mess up your projects again. Measuring stair treads by hand often leaves ugly gaps and uneven cuts that ruin the whole staircase. This stair tread template tool fixes that instantly by locking in the exact angle, length, and depth with insanely precise adjustable arms. Once you try this game-changing jig, stair layouts feel effortless and frustrating guesswork will never ruin a tread fit again. Struggling with dull knives that slip and ruin your delicate wood carving projects? This BeaverCraft whittling knife fixes that instantly with an insanely sharp high-carbon steel blade and an ergonomic handle that fits perfectly in your hand. Once you try this game-changing carving tool, every cut feels precise, effortless, and sloppy edges will never ruin your creations again. Getting crooked cuts and uneven angles can ruin your woodworking and DIY projects. This Huepar digital angle gauge fixes that instantly by combining a laser level, angle meter, and digital bevel into one insanely precise, magnetic device. Once you try this game-changing tool, measuring, marking, and aligning feels effortless and crooked angles. Tired of messy paint scraping and uneven moldings ruining your projects? This ALLWAY CS6 contour scraper set solves that instantly with 6 precision stainless steel blades and a soft grip handle built for every curve and angle. Once you try this game-changing kit, every molding, corner, and contoured surface feels effortless. Frustrated with slow, uneven wood shaping that ruins your projects? This 5-piece angle grinder wood carving disc set instantly transforms any grinder into a game-changing wood sculpting powerhouse with discs for cutting, shaping, and smoothing every curve. Once you try this, carving intricate patterns, removing stumps, or refinishing furniture feels effortless, precise, and insanely satisfying every time. Which of these game-changing tools blew your mind the most? Comment below before you start your next project. You'll want these in your workshop.